Namaskar friends, I am your host, your coach, Advocate Pragya Bhushan, and again today I am going to talk about law of attraction or maybe some signs of the universe, because many people do ask me that ma'am, usually you tell us about how our manifestation is going to be completed, how we are going to achieve success, how we are going to fulfill our dreams and reach our goals. But there's one more thing in this universe which we must know, and that is other than knowing the good which is going to happen in our life, what will happen if something bad happens, and how we are going to be alerted, how we are going to be warned by this universe for that bad incident or those bad times which is going to occur in our life, and how do we know about it? Is there some sign given by the universe about the bad things as well? Like what we get when we are going to manifest our dreams, when we are going to reach our manifestation finally, we get some good signs that now we are ultimately going to achieve our goals. So are there other signs which the universe tells us about the bad times as well? So today I am going to tell you about those signs which universe gives us, which universe warns us against those bad times and tells us not to proceed, so that we should not reach that level when those bad incidents occur in our life. So friends, I am going to tell you 5 main warnings given by the universe which should alert you, which should make you very cautious in your life, so that you don't reach that level where you are confronted with those bad times, with those bad incidents in your life. And first thing which you are confronted is the smallest thing. Like what happens is, if your parent is angry with you, or if your parent wants to warn you against something and you are a small kid, what happens? First your parent will say, please don't do this. No, don't do this. They'll say it politely. But if you repeat that mistake, then your parent will say, oh, this is bad. Please don't do this. Again, if you repeat the mistake, your parents will be more strict. Maybe they'll catch hold of you and they'll shake you like this and they'll tell you, don't do this, otherwise you are going to fall. Otherwise you are going to meet with the accident. So, same thing happens with the universe as well. They warn you at different levels with different kind of signs. And the first sign which is given mildly by the universe is the small insects. Maybe when you are sitting somewhere, the flies, madhumakhi, or maybe bees, or any other kind of flies or small insects will start circling around you, will start irritating you. Maybe they are not irritating other people, they are not flying over the heads of other people, but they are typically flying over your head. Maybe the place where you are sitting is very neat and clean, but where you sit, the flies will come around you from nowhere perhaps. So these are the small signs that something fishy, something bad, something unwanted is coming towards you. You may understand at this level only. But if you don't understand the warning of the universe, then the universe will give you the second sign. And that is usually through animals, because universe is nature. So most of the warnings is given through nature. So the second sign is when some kind of animals will start following you or leading you to somewhere suddenly, surprisingly, which has never happened to you earlier. Maybe when you are walking on the road, you will see a cat suddenly coming in your way. She is leading you and again looking back at you that you are following her or not. Maybe a dog comes and they will start following you on each and every path you follow. So these are the kind of signs. Maybe the dogs will start barking at you, or they will bark looking at you and they will bark on other side. Maybe they are telling you that on that other side there is some problem. There is some danger which they are trying to indicate to you. So these kind of signs will start coming from the animals. and still if you don't understand that universe is giving you some warning, there is something dangerous on your way, then of course the universe will start giving you the third sign, and that is through obstructions. Maybe if you are planning to meet someone, then regularly what happens is the meeting gets cancelled. Maybe you are on your way in a public transport and the public transport's tire punctures, or perhaps the road is blocked for that particular period, maybe for few hours, so that you don't reach the destination where you have to meet the person. Or if you are going to meet that person through a flight and the flight gets cancelled, which is not usually cancelled. So these kind of signs are the indications that you should not meet that person, or meeting with that particular person is not in your favor, is not favorable to you. So you should be very, very keen and observative about such signs, that if particular kind of work which you are going to initiate is getting obstructed, is getting troubled, is getting cancelled time and again, means the universe doesn't want you to do that work. So be very, very cautious and observative about it, that don't do such kind of works which are regularly obstructed for one reason or the other, where there should have been no reason at all. Means the universe doesn't want you to do that. And the fourth sign, and that is a very typical and peculiar sign, friends. If you start seeing this sign, then you should be very, very alert. And the fourth sign is when you start seeing animals or plants in distress. Means maybe you will start watching dogs or cats crying a lot. Maybe you will start watching dying birds. Maybe a very green and blooming tree suddenly dies, completely dies. So these kind of signs where animals and plants are seen in distress, where you see an aquarium in your house suddenly is broken and all the fishes in the aquarium die. These kind of signs are direct indication of the universe that something bad is coming on your way, and you should be well prepared to handle that particular accident in your life, that particular trouble in your life. And the last thing, when you don't understand at all, is the universe way of telling. And the fifth thing is that accidents. Accidents is the last thing. Accidents is maybe the universe is absolutely bent upon to tell you that something worse is coming in your life, which is worse than this accident. So the accident happened. Maybe your leg is fractured, maybe your fingers are damaged, or some other accident occurs in your life. That is telling you that you are being saved from a bigger trouble. So these are the 5 signs where universe tells you that something bad, something problematic, something very, very serious is going to occur in your life, and you should be well prepared to tackle that problem. And this was today's video, friends, where I was telling you the 5 signs, 5 warning signs given by the universe for any upcoming problem. How did you like the video? Please let me know in the comment box below, and do subscribe my channel for further such videos. Till then, thank you, धन्यवाद, नमस्कार, शब्बा खैर.